Day is breaking, roosters calling far away. I rise from my sleeping mat with your name upon my lips. Breeze through my window, smell of firewood and rain. Before I touch anything, Abba, first touch. This is the morning of your mercy, this is the dawning of your grace. I lift my hands, my heart, my story. Jesus, take your rightful place. From my doorstep to the nations, let the simple worship rise. This is the morning of your mercy, be magnified. Hey, hey. Kettle on the charcoal, Bible open on my knees. Every line I'm reading feels like you are talking close. Neighbors starting engines, children running down the road. Still my soul is waiting for the whisper of your voice. This is the morning of your mercy, this is the dawning of your grace. I lift my hands, my heart, my story. Jesus, take your rightful place. From my doorstep to the nations, let the simple worship rise. This is the morning of your mercy, be magnified. From my Mcclendon to Abuja, from my village to the coast, let this quiet hallelujah join the chorus of the saints. Before I chase my blessing, Lord, I chase your face. Before I seek promotion, oh, I seek your embrace. This is the morning of your mercy, this is the dawning of your grace. I lift my hands, my heart, my story. Jesus, take